How to request Instagram verified blue check in 2021. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do, you have to let's see, I go to the rock of, you can see the rock has a huge amount of following, but you don't need such amount of following, but you need some hundred thousands of followers to get accepted. And you also should could uh, public figure like him, you can get accepted. So firstly what you have to do is you have to if you want to request the Instagram verified blue checks, so firstly you have to go to your profile picture and then go to the three horizontal lines in the top right corner and then go to the settings and then go to the account and then click on the request verification. You can see here firstly you have to click on the request verification. When you click on the request verification, you can see the apply for Instagram verification, and it will say that submitting a request for verification does not guarantee that your account will be verified. So only a little chance of your verified, that only there is little chance that you are get verified. So but you can do this by, and firstly you only public figure, celebrity, global brand, etc can get accepted easily due to they have a huge amount of following and they have millions of followers. So that's it, that how you can do this. And then you have to yeah, fill your full name, and then you have to full you type here known as, it means like the rock, the Devin the rock Johnson, known as the rock. So you can type it or known as, so your public name, and then you can select the category, music, government, politics, sports, blogger, influencer, etc. And then you can let's see, I choose the news media, and then you can attach a file, attach your photo ID, and then you can send a request. So that's it, and after that you can get a email that you are verified or not. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. Have a good day.